In this video, we're going to start talking about elasticity. Elasticity is a measure of how much consumers and producers will respond to a change in market conditions. We'll start off by talking about the price elasticity of demand. This is the size of the change in the quantity demanded of a good or service when its price changes. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have the demand schedule and demand for coffee. The price of coffee starts at $2, but what happens to demand when price falls to $1.50? That's right, nothing changes with demand. We haven't changed a determinant of demand, so nothing changes in demand. What happens to the quantity demanded when the price falls to $1.50? Well, the quantity demanded is going to increase. So as we move from point A to point B, we're going to increase the quantity demanded. With a decrease in price, we see an increase in quantity demanded. Elasticity is going to measure the increase in the quantity demanded relative to this decrease in the price. One way we're going to calculate elasticity in this class is by using the midpoint method. So elasticity is going to be the percent change in quantity divided by the percent change in price, or just delta Q over delta P. Delta Q is going to be Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2 plus Q1 over 2, right? So we're going to measure the change in the quantity. So we're going to start down here. This is Q2, point B of 15, and Q1 will be point A. Our Q here is 10. Okay, so down here we have 15 minus 10 divided by 15 plus 10 divided by 2, or 5 divided by 12.5, or 0.4. Right, so that's our delta Q is 0.4. Delta P is going to be P2 minus P1 divided by P2 plus P1 over 2. So this is just the average. So we're taking the change, we're dividing by the average. So our change in P is going to be 1.5, right? Down here, we're at point B, $1.50 minus $2. Then we're going to divide that by the midpoint, the average, right? 175. Okay, that gives us minus 0.29. All right, so we calculated delta Q and delta P. We can put those two together. Boom. We have delta Q, delta P. We do delta Q divided by delta P, and that gives us minus 1.38. Well, what the heck does that mean? Watch the next video, and we'll explain.